for any adofono mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GHS so mamonim say unuaba ekwesi kapa mesi nkonya seida na chese ensem no de edi seye ka eno ene yesi edwa epensim pensemu epene pomasi bena ene de yababa bepiemu ewo yem papa Apostle Peter Ajiman Kuragu ehonom na oda eye asori anedin ene eye Graceland Family Chapel International yebetwetwen komo ede afa eye honobo Kennedy Japan eye ni sisho awode ete honom a ewo netu awoka eye asofo because we yes was obey di eye asofo mo ya asofo atrofo ho ensem na ama ni host kwakwa na nso so afa that platform no so ede ekeka ensem a enimu anaso wodi gu asofo binum hu fi a enu nti ema ye papa ede na no betum na no ene ye ba betwetwen enkomo ede afa ne hu die nti a wode na no atumu na den na wo hu ne se omototo enioma ya ebetimi aboa ede afa ho tebusuafo gibre yetwan ho abaye ba ye di nkomodidie no ebe hyehyɛ so. Baba ejumedie yi eso empombo kodi radiasi Apostle video bi ababontin a chese eye kwaku anan eye host of Netu the sea show wakasa ede afa woni Kennedy Japan womo enioma womo eye ho a chese woni womo enye adwen ewo de ekoso ne ho denti ena ma wode wano ato sa ensen we ehu
meda wase bebree say Michia ahwefo nyina soso se omo ehwe me America krane ne ho se Netu the seat se ne entan hwe
okay
but na se ne ho se asofo ho se bi efrase apeja wo so me yesofo ntina wo se nyina edi ani di akire na yehwe dwumadie potempa ekoso ewo
okay
so through that ne ho se omo ye especially about asofo omo ye fake pastors yedi akira mahwe debia mehwe debia Mondays and Wednesdays in omodi ni nyina ba mehwe to da kura na manya kwan ahwe a omo wi a metime ko YouTube ma san akakɔhwe nsema ekoso so say ye won say ahyase no kɔ no educative amanfo ebie nkrofo ni amanfo hunu atrodifo enyoma bi a omo ye wonyame dwuma mu na niema na se me be kasa bie ewo de na ekoso de ekoso nyina ye hwa etie at least yesua de wom me obi a me padesua se usua de hunu se na ne obi si ko na o de ne o matoto ne o ma ho se ne obesi ayo ne o ma fa but de ma me ba bonte be kasa ye eye video bi a epie ye na efa kwaku anan particularly
okay
nsem bi a okan ye de fa asofo empanyifo bi e bo Ghana ha obobo mu nyina din eye ye papa Archbishop Duncan Williams ene Bishop Ajinasare
okay
ene ye papa Mensan Otabo ena Bishop Dakwad Moss ene ye papa Kranche Ankra so se ankoso ho a wiye na okan fra asofo a e Ghana ha nyina se ye di nyame hwambo
okay
na me say video ne ba na bebre hunu through Facebook na mde hunu sa video say asofo wa Ghana ha no mo adi nyame hwambo na nyame asoma ne say o mema asofo no wo ne na erade se odi wogya ebetwi afa asafo ne nyina aso
okay
na afenso no asofo ho do seminars nsemo a so ya nsem hunu ko an ye di enti a san say asofo bi ye nyoma bi ono de nka ne susu yemu ne se nka sa asofo mpanyifo ni adofo bi ni asofo no be soro agina ka ho asa nti ya nka nti no na sa asofo mpanyifo ni Ghana asofo nyina atena se ahwe ma san kwase asem we ikoso e sa ho nti e no de sa temnie no e ma asofo nyina no kwasem ni mi hu ye no anya me de
nti eno an ma wo so
ba eno ni ade e ma me ba atoma ne hu ne se de o kan ye no entwa yi
de nti na de o kan ye na entwa yi hu ne se e ye no kre na wo kan
obi be hu ne se eye nokore
okay
na all kan san se me nimu nyina so wogina so a odi hu ne se ye all kan ye nokore na me won se na me kan o me video mo se ye ko school no ye kire bibi aba manners
okay
e wo se asofo bi ye ne ma bi wo Ghana ha ye nyina ye dwa ye mpe ba kokora ebi ne say asofo a o kɔ ne nkyɛn agye sɛ no utua counseling fee ansa na akɔhu sɔfo ebi ne say eduru baabi a gye sɛ no watua saa counseling fee na wie bɛyɛ 200 300 awie no wɔn asa akɔtena sɔfo anim na wakyerɛ sɛ kɔtɔ oil kɔtɔ wei oil ne bi yɛ favor oil ne bi yɛ oh boy follow me ebi yɛ do what I say ebi yɛ protection saa ne ɔma ne nyinaa bɛwura system no mu a yɛnim na deɛ ma me kan mensi ho kwan sɛ ɔntumi nka but ɔhu sɛ yɛwɔ sɛnea asɛm bi a yɛka no sɛ woka mpo a ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ fa yɛ atam die because nyame ɔsom a wɔna nka nkyerɛ wɔ sɛ bɛdi saa asɔfoɔ no atam nyame ɔsom a sɛ bɛka kyerɛm so ɔmo yɛ no yɛ nkwasi asɛm ɛna there is no way a even Sodom and Gomorrah koraa no ɛduru baabi a nyame ɛsɛe kuro no ɛduru baabi wɔyi bi si nkyɛn enti wontumi nka sɛ nyame de ogya bɛtwi afa yɛn nsɔre dan nyinaa so nyame na ka kyerɛ wo ɛneɛ sɛ nyame na ka yɛ a to me nim deɛ mu no mehu ne sɛ nyame nkasa sa mehu ne sɛ nyame nkasa sa san sɛ ɛyɛ dɛn na nyame ka kyerɛ sɛ mede ogya ɛneɛ sɛ na Ghana na wɔ sɛ no because yɛka Ghana the percentage of Christian religion Christianity kura highest about 70% plus. This is nyame de ogya etwi afa asofo nyina so. Ebi ko so kyerɛ me sɛ Ghana hanam sofo bi no ɔyɛ papa. Sofo bi no ɔnso nyame ani. Sɛ obi anso nyame ani, me amete yɛ de megyimu de sɛ me so nyame ani. Sa sɛ minim akwan. Sa na meka no. Ɛna minim asofo mpanyi at least asofo mpanyifo yi atwa sabi ato hɔ no ma. Ɛwɔ sɛ o ka kora no a ɛwɔ sɛ wode ani die.
Okay.
Ɛkasa. Ba no nkyerɛ sɛ bedi asofo atem. On sɛ manes na meka sɛ woni panyi kasa na ɔbɔ nsɛm gu ne so. Ɛnkyerɛ bu.
Okay.
Ɛno ne ade a me ha me a bedi be man hu sɛ no. Sɛ woni obi na anya. Ɛna obi na akodi ne nsɛm hu. Ɛna ɔba kɔyɛ ɔmo nneɔma ɛna afei abua bɔ wɔn mo a. Ɛyɛ dɛ na afei deɛ wodi asofo ni nyinaa. Na wodi asofo mpanyifo yi ɛkɔka ho. Fine. Later on me to see a video no enye nanse ya no ye no but say nanse ya no enye nanse ya no ye no entwa yi because yam fa say asofo ya ye ka mo ho nsem yi say nsem no mo ye eniom mo ye no ebi ye 8 years ebi ye 5 years ebi ye 3 years ago but enen na pia bontia ye ka ho asem
nti say o kan nti say no wo pa che say like asofo no o munwuma na wo mo ye no eni kwan say ye kan na ye nya wo
e wo say ye kan ba asem bia wo kwan ye fa so kan no
inti kwan be na nanka ususu se nko mfa
so say empo say wo frɛ asofo mpanyifo yi to come in na the best way you can say is asofo mpanyifo mo nsɔre mo mrem
okay
na the way ani o me kɔ no ma ye hwɛ ha ma ni o me ekɔmɔne ba won ya na mprempi no bebre na eblemu Christian council
okay
Pentecostal council charismatic council any asofo mpanyifo yi die ntia ye blemu wo mo ebi ni mo blemu wo mo ne sɛ ba me no me blemu wo mo in a sense Christian council an organization.
Okay.
Charismatic council, so the same thing sanity. Pentecostal council, member, they don't have sole control on you. That is how I call it. And again, you have freedom of religion and freedom of association. Until the someone new mua, didn't say Archbishop, any are so from penny free bit sorry about when I bet Tiam.
See, you was what I like you na mo ye nti se ba ko touch my was wo penyi utimi kokoka say wo die yi enko ye nti bia hwe bibi ya na wo be ye nhwe han ama say because of say oni wa sorry nti no gya na ma na ye de na say na mo twe say odo no krampe ni mu
ekwan bi so no me gire say sa sofo yi bi no mo no e bia na somewhere someone na sofo yi bi atu omofo but one thing is say omuntu omofo mpo a say even say wo ka asofo mpanyifo ya asamo at least fani di mo kakra
nti obuo na
say yen kitwa impo na ummu yen a enko but at least mpanyifo no hwe Archbishop baby a wabɔ brakoturu
okay
hwe ye papa agina sare baby a wabɔ brakoturu
okay
now catch asofo say mo di nyame hwa mo totally
si nyame na awaba be ka kire ne nti
mama
or can you say the
I didn't want my young friend the spade, me and face fact. tena ne bisa kwakwa nan sɛ hemfa na wohyia nyame a nyame ka asa akyerɛ sɛ bra bɛdi asɔfo yɛ atam saa
na sɛ sɔfo ti
bra bɛka asɛm sɛ kyerɛ nyame
nko sɛ yɛ de nyame ne wo kasa
nyame ne me kasa baron nyame kasa ɔnkyerɛ wo sɛ kone kodi asomasi atam ɔn sɛ abrabɔ ne awiase asetena no yɛwɔ temperament wɔ
okay
yɛwɔ temperament wɔ nyame de asɛm ne ma wo a after receiving the message from God the way you deliver it is also another issue.
Okay.
So communication, how you communicate the nyame aka kyerɛ wo no is very important. And the one here, the way nyame aka no or you be communicating wrong, and so now you are making sense out of it, because the all canon is true in a sense. You say, oh, you may be cost system ni mu a it need clean up.
Into who say
I was so for this original. Ebo actually be tell be mama to get the platform easy. And na no make us say platform here dey ma so for be ebo revelations of a deep truth for himself. Other than you created the same platform. Emma so for be omukura no kure no. Emfa no kure ma nyame ma.
Okay.
Dan say social media platform nyina koye platform whereby when o can obi ho asam a eko wronger you get somebody to give you the platform.
Oh, okay.
We need that genuine men of God in Ghana here. They be a make say, and maybe the mountain me say, Ghana, genuine men of God are more than fake ones.
Some.
Yeah.
And so say fake na
na. Demon breaker better na hoy. Ene Manasseh better na hoy. Aso for the do say na Ghana wa bom di.
Okay.
Compared to the number of pastors in Ghana.
So ono no omo no o ma ye adwuma.
Se me ka betime ka se wa bobe 10 pe.
Some.
Omo wo soro a omo so na ye dede. Ghana. You say ankure hu ye dede. But ahune pankasa.
Okay.
And you are so from Pennyphobia on they don't talk. Genuine men of God are there.
And Apostle, who say a platform the seashore now one more a year on a book in Japan and Kwekwana or Mudias one. Oh, for one Jumedia one more aid in this one.
It's good to expose their works.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, education. But one thing we should not also forget is say, I don't know, so you know one hand on the year, you end up destroying many things. Yeah. So always say you are at Sakwala what you know.
Okay.
Oh, Tiakwala no one tian year. You end up destroying him. I don't know what I say. Me, I look beyond because me want to say issue between Honorable Kennedy Japan. I respect him a lot.
Okay.
Because he's bold. Because obi ni money this in your maybe one man. No be an bit my handle. But looking at fame and war, sika na media blessing baby what drew. Any the kind of investigative attitude, or you're very smart.
Okay.
I want you maybe home. Oh na, and you man Kennedy Kenya na me ne yadwene.
Then I want in yadwene.
Recently, he made a statement. He said, religion is an impediment to the progress of Ghana. Now, how many? At the same time, he said, sure. So he made a statement. He said, "Sauko sorry. Now, so for be catch us, who be here for one. After this COVID-19, he left by now. So now, so for be catch us, who be here for one. And you need it. Oh, Sabana, now will narrate your way. I quiet to say, it's only the fake men of God that see.
Oh, okay.
But I remember one time being a customer can say me say, I saw for Ghana Hanamana was share woman. One of them are originally discern the prophecy accurate. Hey, Usubempa.
Okay.
Does it mean say Usubempa? He said if you are wrong. You still believe that. So it's a general statement that he made. So I then I saw for a year diff atrophone kwani hunadi. I confirm hunadi. Okay. Intino untimi nka say so obi hu na de a no catch us me hu si afa ho a na say e yatro e na wodi and this genuine men of God also see.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Genuine men of akwala keto akwa betime hu bibia ka cho me gidi say ono Honorable Kennedy Japan okran obetime hu bibi asema sonda ya na me hu si afa ho does it mean so kan wa ditro dabi oni tro say kwakwa na ka say o say nyame aka kire ne say nti ya just say kwakwa na ka na oditro
Debbie. Send the
Nti ɛyɛ den na sɛ obi hunu di a wɔde tro na wo hunu yɛ di a nyame na aka.
Nti se wo pa che se yenja obi anu bi anya ye wo pa na.
Me sofo bi, madam for sofo bi kan asɛm bi. Your friend Apostle Ata Blessing. Or say the SCA no is a wake up call.
Okay.
For the men of God and for the church.
Okay.
Because he said, "We are two being no through the hands of Kennedy." Because he said, "Oh, on the woman talk on, shasi no, shasi obra, honorable Kennedy Japan nye video. He said, "Obinim akoka say, our coronavirus drew." And honorable Babontin be kaye, and ode no say oye wofwa. Ni nyomo de beba abontin no, M1. Along the line no. And obi nim so ba abonten say onka bibia sa.
Okay.
So later on honorable sa ba abonten e be to man mo ke kan adwene kire through that no and obi nim so ba abonten bi di nata e ho na de hya ase but I know say utie honorable kasemu a na say no anya more informations already about obi nim so already that provocation was there so through that no different.
Into who ni say ye ne ho hinti na ama na expose ye fake prophets na
oh the American say so busa question me say nti ye nya default for no mo anya de omo ye no the American say ense say ye jam e was asofo sorry
nti asofo no
and handle it in a nice way we will not end up at the end of the day destroying the masses no
ti hwan na wo expect so wo mo sorry
no asofo we Ghana ha
Edifo asofo mo ha say wo hwan mo
and I believe say
omo mo ye adwuma pa na na say omo mo ye adwuma bone na adwuma pa
omo mo ye adwuma pa no ebredu say wo say tisia bonten ne ye ka no kura ne kire nkrofo because eduru ba bi ya azane so adoso do
okay ache say ye de e koso no ni je ho
wo say kasa
okay
e wo ho oh ne ye kire we say me say me te me me hye obi pen awaka kire me say me pa obema me nkrofo ba ye miracle a kire me within a short time I saw the because me catch and say no yeah the pan work as well
na wan
me de ye de
dentia
mame se nyame mfam free sro ma wa e de na wo create
hwan ka sa asem ne che
ayo obi work as well
betimi din dia atoja
me mfa ne din tujwa sa me mfa ne din tujwa because the word be one man you have to be very careful the way you go about it
okay
that's it so for be ba me chen one to listen so for be ba me chen ye bi nkomo no and a year can and Mioma echo system. No, so for him, your woman be work as well. On will make it that provision. Creative miracle, no, edema.
Okay.
By the end of the day, no, Benedict to us will come and friendly Panama. No friendly Panama. And on the two loudspeaker. No, so Madame for software be say. Or pencrophone if you be near Biama. No, so pedo do say. But me buy me. Ah, I saw them here. Any tracker. So that's until no me disputed the fact. Said default truthfully.
Okay.
A truthful. But me where I was having a problem, how I address it.
Say in
Pennyfo no. And I am there.
Okay.
And some of the statements need be so a bemono. Now say me can be say honorable can say me say religion is an impediment to the progress of Ghana.
Okay.
Mami, ye musa ye ho. Let's face the fact. Ghana want to control economy. Want to control the resources of the nation. As of your money for politicians in the control. The resources of the nation, everything. Say, financial minister, eco parliamentar, now or more disperse whatever is allocation of whatever money. No, who will see a be my sorry. A being come sorry, a being come so for. And you know, politicians count. Maybe I will say, you take an eye. One will say NDC, I did be an MPP account for that. Nothing. I did MPP power. Almost I did be an NDC, be an papa.
Okay.
NDC, I and at the end of the day, no MPP so bad power. Oh, more year, the more year. NDC for say MPP bad power no. For almost 4 years now. Omu ye who?
Is it still campaign, mama?
Make campaign, mama Jesus. Because politicians they do it. Let me. They try to be the deceivers.
Okay.
That is why one time honorable Boniface can say me say I was say yet to me for no you use your agenda. Because at times they fight publicly. on social media, but behind they are one. It is all mine no. Senor me kose wine. And I say oh mine. You hear these mature guys, we smokers. When they fall into the hands of the politicians, especially in a season like this, what do they become? They become vigilante groups.
Okay.
They use them. Giddy. What is asophobia? Giddy. Now say I say you be true dia MDC ni parties BC NTRC. So what in some amount of work. Blood will flow. What is asophobia?
Asophobia can.
Why not? So man say why not so asophobia?
But say monsosumo
if asophobia play part of that kind of a you don't say it's a generally a religion.
Okay.
Because when these guys, ghetto guys and these metro guys, when they fall into the hands of the religious body now, they become ushers. We give them Bible.
Okay.
We give them Bible. Okay. Some become ushers. Some become prayer warriors. Religion I be you, mommy. Religion I be. Be break or religious school. No madru baby o madru.
Okay.
Intinya na wi ase na o man no ebe yi religion ama.
Okay.
By MTS say asofo no so no fa bi no ebi play part of the distraction of things.
Okay. Yo apostle ye di ensem ni ese ne semben say wa ma ya te ase say de omo ye no support wo mo ba enoma bi wo ho no ma wo so omo te say futu ben e na de be ma eye kwakwanan ene eye honorable Kennedy Japan e wo mo show a wo mo de esi wo a wo mo de eyi edifo atrofo na ma ne futu ben na de be mo
de me ka kire kwakwanan ene eye papa honorable Kennedy Japan ni say nyame nhyira no wo de wa fa to no ho so say oye but they were be sere omo ni say when they are making statements he should not go for all pastors because genuine men of God are still there. If unbeliever on try me, you will know say I'm a genuine man of God. Me area so bad be Muslims. I make say Muslim Muslims now. A Muslim Christopher no. Ask the Muslims. Don't do an answer we are so beautiful. Obi a can't and me say I'm sitting. Me are very calm and quiet. I don't talk. When you see me coming out to talk about issue, now it has gone to a certain point. Obi oni me be enemy sir. After this video, people have been calling me, asking, "Esofo, now power ni." Because they wonder why I'm saying this, but I was pushed to do it. Into the American the seed program, they say, revealing the activities of the fake men of God, is teaching a lot of people. But we should not also forget that as we are doing it, we should also think about the members. Software agada. Young fan says, "We'll be them tough from to see." Me problem ne mano nsore ma na wagada na where would they be ya hwa apreku a wafiri mu apreku bo form no church members ne scatter e bia nkwa asore bia mbesi ne okay it is if they know said they are doing the work of God there and helping to clean the system because me can say and I say Bishop Ajina Sare can say he is cleaning the system so clean the system ne there and then I believe say there is another way to do it e betimi abo at the end of the day no yanwini akra na so me yanwini obi nim no as a person me yanwini obofo no mo ne sa asofo na ebobo mo di no as a person but yanwini akra na o magada no so we can save these people together with the souls everything aboa until they should call in some of the leaders of asofo benefit to come in to help to handle the issue bebo yi nyina
abusuafo Apostle Peter Ajenim na wote ne nka no
pacho di ni Ajema
Apostle Peter Ajeman na wote ne nka no busuafo mo fa enche bebre wakasa bebre de afa ehu ni video e ba bontene no ho enkomo na ye ne no ebebe twetwe ye no na wama ye hu enuoma eni su yie papa aha ene ede nkomo twetwe no ebesi se de da ye no no subscribe to your channel no so wonye ya share for more abusuafo nso e all the social media platforms say your Facebook, Instagram, baby ano betimi a share e de amawomo na watimi a like your videos no so ebiem so follow your Instagram page at @SumaGH_ na emrepem na dwentwen mo de to your comment section na ye be kenkan e de ama media ene akua sikapa that's on ye be